Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I think my previous lecture is clear to you. So today we will start next topic of this chapter. So welcome to my next lecture, grade 9, chapter 2, topic tissue. So today we will discuss about the muscular tissue. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, what are the major functions of the muscular tissue or muscles tissue? There are four characteristics associated with muscles tissue. First is the excitability. The tissue can receive and respond to the stimulation. Second, contractility. Tissue can shorten and thicken. Third is extensibility. In extensibility, tissue can increase their length. Elasticity. Tissue can return to its resting state. These are the characteristics. Now the characteristic of muscular tissue enable it to perform some important function, which include movement, that include both voluntarily and involuntarily. Second, maintaining posture. Third, supporting soft tissue within the body cavity, guarding entrance and exit of the body. Last, maintaining body temperature. Now, what are the three types of the muscular tissue? First is the skeletal muscular tissue. Skeletal muscular muscles move or stabilize the position of the skeleton, which guard entrance and exit to the digestive and respiratory and urinary tract, which generate heat and protect internal organs. Okay. Next is the skeletal muscles tissue features and characteristic. These fibers are the multinucleated and having periphery nuclei, actin and myosin filament that form a distinct cross striations pattern. Muscles is surrounded by the connective tissue that is known as epimysium, and the muscles vessels that is surrounded by connective tissue that is known as perimysium. Each muscle's fiber surrounded by a connective tissue that is known as endomysium. Voluntary muscles under the conscious control. Okay. Next is the sensitive stretch receptor called neuromuscular spindle, which are present within or nearly all skeletal muscles. These spindle consist of connective tissue capsule in which these are found in modified muscles fibers are called intrafusal fiber and having numerous nerve ending. Neuromuscular spindles that monitor the changes in the muscular length and activate complex reflexes which regulate the muscular activity. This is the longitudinal and transverse section of the skeletal muscles. Now the functions of skeletal muscular tissue. Skeletal muscular or muscles function in a pair so that they can bring about the coordinated movement of the limbs, trunks, jaws, eyeball, etc. Skeletal muscles are directly involved in the breathing process. Directly involved. Okay. Second is smooth muscle fiber. Smooth muscle fiber help in movement of food, urine, reproductive tract and secretion, which control diameter of respiratory passageway and regulate the diameter of the blood vessels. Now, smooth muscles tissue feature and the characteristic. These are found in the hollow organ and blood vessels. These fibers are fusiform in the shape and contain single nuclei. Each cell is filled with a specialized cytoplasm. The sarcoplasm is surrounded by a thin cell membrane which is called as sarcolemma that contain contractile actin and myosin filament. However, they are not arranged in regular cross-striated pattern that are visible in both the skeletal and the cardiac muscles fiber. As a result, these muscles appear smooth or non-striated. Smooth muscles fiber are also involuntary muscles and are therefore under autonomic nervous system and having hormonal control. Okay, smooth muscles fiber or smooth muscular tissue also called as non-striated or you can say unstriated muscular tissue. Okay, this is the longitudinal and transverse section of smooth muscles fiber. Now, functions of smooth muscular tissue. Smooth muscular tissue controls slow and involuntary movement, such as the contraction of smooth muscles tissue in the wall of the stomach and intestine. The muscles of arteries that contract and relax to regulate the blood pressure and the flow of the blood. Now, third one is cardiac muscles that move blood and maintain blood pressure. Cardiac muscles tissue features and characteristic. Primarily located in the wall and septa of the heart, and especially in the walls of large vessel that is attached to the heart, like aorta and pulmonary trunk. That is similar to the skeletal muscles. Cardiac muscles fiber exhibit distinct cross striations as a result of the arrangement of actin and myosin filament. Transmission electron microscopy that reveals similar A band, I band, Z line and repeating sarcomere units. Exhibit only one or two central nuclei. These are shorter and branched. Okay. After that, the terminal end of the adjacent cardiac muscles fiber that show characteristic and dense staining end-to-end junctional complexes. These called intercalated disc. These are located in the intercalated disc. These are called gap junction that enable ionic communication and continuity between the adjacent cardiac muscles fiber. These exhibit autorhythmically and spontaneously generate stimuli. Now, functions of cardiac muscular tissue. Cardiac muscular tissue play a very important role in the contraction of the atria and ventricles of the heart. It causes the rhythmical beating of the heart, circulating the blood and its content throughout the body as a consequence. Now, the difference between these three: smooth muscles, cardiac and skeletal muscles. Smooth muscles have spindle-shaped non-striated and uninucleated fiber. The cardiac that has striations and branched and uninucleate fiber. And skeletal muscles have striated, tubular and multinucleate fiber. Smooth muscles occur in the wall of internal organs. Cardiac occur in the wall of heart especially. And skeletals is usually attached to the skeleton. Smooth muscle is involuntary, cardiac is also involuntary, but skeletal is the voluntary. Okay, so with this slide, your topic muscular tissue has completed. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the nervous tissue, which is the last topic of this chapter. Okay. So, till then, stay at home, stay safe, be happy, stay blessed, and thank you.